together with CAP events in Dubai, and we are doing our advanced therapy video course. We have people coming from all over the world: Japan, Brazil, Scotland, England, Sweden, Germany, Saudi. I'm proud. I'm honored to be with you. Let's share our information together. It's going to be a 2-day course. Let's keep up. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Yo. I'm come from Japan. I'm running the clinic in Tokyo.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shiva from Germany. I'm working in American Hospital Dubai.
My name is Zainab and I'm a dentist from Zurich.
Hi, I'm Benny. I'm from Sweden. I work here in Dubai.
I am Dr. Fatima from Brazil.
I think it's a really great opportunity to learn tips and tricks.
Many new things to think about, many new inputs. Can recommend this very much.
It's very interactive and advanced. It's very good.
Dr. Çağdaş, his course is amazing. I recommend for everybody.
Thank you so much for your training, Dr. Çağdaş.
Because he's fantastic doctor, wide, professional and technical. Wide everything what you want to know, he solve for you and let you know everything in details. Perfectionist.